Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting way to make money in the crypto world, crypto arbitrage. Imagine turning price differences between exchanges into cold, hard cash, potentially even hitting $1 million. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick with me because I'm going to break it down step by step and show you how it works. First, what is crypto arbitrage? It's simple. You buy a cryptocurrency on one exchange where the price is low, then sell on another exchange where the price is higher. The difference? That's your profit. For example, let's say Bitcoin is trading at $60,000 on exchange A, but it's $60,500 on exchange B. You buy one Bitcoin on A, transfer to B, sell it, and pocket $500 minus fees. Do that enough times, and the profits stack up. So, how do you get started? Step 1. You need to pick the right exchanges. Popular ones like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin often have slight price differences because of supply, demand, or trading volume. Open accounts on at least 2 or 3 of these, get verified, and deposit some starting capital. Even $100 can work to test the waters. Step 2. Find the opportunities. This is where the magic happens. You can manually check prices across exchanges, but that's slow. Instead, use tools like CoinMarketCap or CryptoWatch to spot price gaps in real time. There are even arbitrage bots you can set up. Think of them as your 24/7 money-making assistants. Some popular ones are 3 Commas or Haas Online, but they do cost money. So weigh that against your budget. Step 3. Act fast. Crypto prices move like lightning, so speed is everything. Once you spot a gap, buy on a cheaper exchange. Transfer the coins to the other one and sell. Transfers usually take a few minutes depending on the blockchain. Bitcoin might take 10 to 30 minutes, but something like XRP or Stellar could be faster, under a minute sometimes. Now, let's talk numbers. To make $1 million, you need volume and consistency. If you snag $500 profit per trade, like in our Bitcoin example, you need 2,000 trades to hit $1 million. That's a lot, right? But here's the trick. Scale up your trades. With $10,000 starting capital and a 1% price difference, you can make $100 per trade. Do that 50 times a day with automation, and you're pulling in $5,000 daily. In 200 days, bam, $1 million. Of course, that's the dream scenario, and it's not always that smooth. So what's the catch? Fees can eat into your profits. Trading fees, withdrawal fees, network fees, they add up. Research exchanges with low costs, like Binance with its 0.1% trading fee. Also, timing is critical. If the market shifts while your coins are transferring, you could lose money. And don't forget taxes. Arbitrage profits are taxable in most places. So keep records. One pro tip, start small. Test with $50 or $100 to learn the ropes before going big. Look for altcoins too. Smaller coins like Dogecoin or Cardano sometimes have bigger price gaps than Bitcoin. Just watch out for liquidity. You don't want to get stuck with coins you can't sell. Can you really make $1 million? Yes, but it takes capital, tools, and hustle. Big players use millions in advanced software to dominate this game. But with patience and strategy, smaller traders can still win. I've linked some resources below to help you get started. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried arbitrage? Or what crypto topic should I cover next? See you in the next one.